Well, I pulled the bed sheet off and the plastic, and I wiped it down with wax and grease remover. And it looks like it's ready to paint. This thing has been blocked with guide coat, I think 3 times. That was quite a while ago, but let's check it out with some wet wax and grease remover. I've wiped this thing off 3 times and I'm still getting a little bit of residue. I'll have to wash it with soap and water before we paint. You notice I said we. I expect a little bit of help from you guys. Okay. There you go. Smooth as a baby's butt. Now when the paint arrives, and I get probably next weekend, depending on the weather, we'll give this thing a little sealer, a little paint, a little clear coat. Now originally this car, believe it or not, had a Cherokee red top, and it had turquoise body. That's the factory colors. Sorry guys, I can't do it. I'm going to have Dover white, Cherokee red, and then Dover white underneath. So the paint line is going to come all the way down to here for the Dover white. Now in the front here, the two-tone stops right here. And this will be the red body color here. You're only going to see a little bit of that anyway. So that's the paint scheme. Time will tell.